Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will let you know how to create an app installation campaign in the Reddit ads account, and with the help of that we will maximize our reach, our app reach, and we will get more and more audience, and that will help us to generate a good business for our company. So if you have an app, please see this video. I will let you know how to create an app installation campaign. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So guys, as you know, today we are creating a Reddit app install campaign. So basically what we'll do today, we'll create a campaign through which a visitor can easily install a particular app. If you want to advertise any app, you can use this campaign. So let's start. First of all, as you can see, you need to go to the dashboard. As the dashboard is here, you need to go to the Reddit's ad account and go to your dashboard, and after that you have an option that is create campaign. It will be showcased in the side, and as you can see, it is this the option, and you need to click on that. And once you click on that, it will automatically give you two options, which I have already told you in the last video as well. The thing is, they will give you the option to import any particular campaign from meta ads, and that is here, switch to campaign import. Once you will click on that option, you can import any campaign which is running on the meta, like app installation campaigns are also running on the meta, so you can directly import it from there. And if you want to create a fresh app install campaign in Reddit, you can click on the switch to advanced create option, and once you will click on it, it will give you the two option, never mind or yes start over. You just need to click on the yes start over option so that you will get the option to create the campaign, and then it will redirect you to the campaign settings. As you can see, now I am at the campaign level, and here I can add my campaign name, what objective I will use for my campaign. I will set it here, and let me make the campaign name first. It's app install, and let's suppose we will use FB app for now. Let's take an example because it's an test campaign, and you can also put the date here. Okay, so I have added all the information here, and then you need to choose the objective. Objectives will define your audience or algorithm, like what kind of audience you want for your campaign. So please make sure you will choose the exact objective which you want from the campaign. So the thing is, there are like 6 different objectives here, like brand awareness, traffic, conversion, video views, app install, and catalog sales. So each objective has their different work. As we need to create an app install campaign, so I will choose the 5th one, and that is app install, and I have choose the objective here. And the next step is you need to provide the app URL here, as you want to find the app URL, whether it's from on Apple Store or from the Google Play Store. As I want to use the advertise the Google Play Store app, and that is Facebook app. So what I will do is I will put Google Play Store here, and once I open the Google Play Store, I will search for, you can choose any of the app which you want. I will choose FB. Let's suppose, take an example, I'll choose FB. So now you need to copy the URL, and the URL is here. Once you will click on the Facebook text, it will give you the option. You can right click and copy the link address, and then you can put it here. Once you put it in here, the Play Store link, you have option to click on the add button, and you need to click on that. Once you click on that, it will automatically fetch the app here. So now we will able to advertise this app through our Reddit app install campaign. And after that, you need to set a payment method, and it's a confidential part, so you can do it at your end. You just need to click on the add credit card button, and then you have the options to put their credit card number, the expiry date, and you can add it here. And let's go to the ad group level. At the ad group level, you can see we have different option to target our audience. As you know your app, you know what kind of audience will install that app, so you can set it here. You can set that audience so that your app install ad will be showcased to the interested visitor, and we will get more and more app installed. With the help of that, our app will be advertised, and with the help of that, we will get maximum installs. So you can define your audience here, and here you can define your audience. Like if you want to put some keywords, like people are really searching for FB app, keyword that will help us to segregate our audience. If you put that keyword like Facebook app, so you need your app well, you need what kind of people are searching for that, what kind of key phrases, keywords they were using to search that particular app. So you can put it here so that that keywords will help us to get maximum and relevant reach. As I will put FB app here, Facebook app here, these are the keywords. It's a test keyword, so you can use as your convenience, because you know your app very well, so you know which kind of keyword that will help us. And after that, it's showing 1 second. After that, you need to find community audience, like which kind of community audience is using your ads, and what kind of particular audience are interested in your app. So what you can do it from here. As I want people who want to use you can say Facebook app, and for that I will use people who are on news, because Facebook also provide us features of getting news. So it's just an example. Basically I'm giving you an idea. You can put it a keyword here where your audience will be defined, and it will showcase your community audience. Then you can check the size here, and you can target the same as well. As let's take an example, I will choose people who are really like music. I have added that in the community audience part. So people who have interested in music, they will see my app install app. So in the same way, you can find out your particular audience which you want to target in the campaign, so that your ad will be visible to the relevant audience. And after that, you can also set the interest group as well. We have the interest group targeting as well. As per my opinion, the people who want my app is people who really interested in television and film. So I will choose that option, because entertainment is the purpose of Facebook app. So I will choose entertainment, music, audio. So you can choose as per your opinion. Okay, as I have choose this interested group, because I think these interest groups will definitely install my apps, and people who are added in this particular interest group, they will definitely see my ad, and they will easily install my app, and with the help of that I will get more reach for my clients. Also, there is a custom audience option. As I have told you in the old video, this custom audience option will be the audience who have landed on your particular website, and if you want to target them in your campaign, you can do it from here. And after that, you need to choose the demographic part, where you need to choose the location. As I will choose, let's suppose I will choose Argentina as my targeting location. I want to target people who are living in Argentina, so you can do it from here. And then if you have option, you can exclude the audience. If you don't want to show people who are living in a particular area, like you don't want to show the people who are living in Brazil, so you can just put Brazil here. As now people living in Argentina will see my ad, but the people living in Brazil will not able to see my ads. And in the same way, you can save the audience, and then you can choose the placements. If you choose the manual placement, they will show you feed or conversation. But there are two type of feeds in the Reddit. One is feed, and another one is conversation. We will connect with some people. So I will always choose auto placement in the starting, so that our ads will automatically run according to the algorithm. And after that, you can also exclude communities which you don't want to show your ads, like people who are interested in, you can say, word till today I learned apps or music, or if you don't want to target the people who are interested in jokes, so you can exclude that community here. Also, if you want to exclude the people like people who are interested in daily news app. So if you have that keyword, you can put it here, so that these kind of people will never seen your ad in this type. And after that, as you can see, we need to set our daily budget, what kind of budget we want to use daily. You can also put lifetime budget as well. If you want to run campaign only one time, you can put it lifetime budget, and if you want to run up day wise, then you can put it at daily. As I want to spend $50 each per day, so I will choose the same as is here. And after that, your event goal, your app event goal will be the install, because install, we need more and more install with this ads. So I will choose our app event goal is installed, so that it will be tracked in our Reddit ads manager, and we will able to see how much install we got from the campaign. And after that, you just need to click on the continue button, and after that you need to add image which you want to show. So I will put my image here, as I'm running a test campaign for Facebook. Then I will use a Facebook image in my feed, and here you can add some content. Please, and having fun with FB. So you can put the content which you will see suitable for your ad, as I have put it, because I think this is what we use right now, because it is a test campaign, that's why I have used this. You can choose according to your opinion, because that thing which will give a more and more you can say information about your app to the visitor. So make sure you will create a good headline, a good primary text, so that it will be easily understandable by the visitor what they are installing. Okay, so this is very important part. You can create a content first, then you can put it here. As I'm running a test campaign, that's why I'm doing it here. After that, you need to choose a call to action, as our call to action is always installed, because we are running the app install campaign. Also, if you want, you can share the app URL as well. So let me copy the URL again. Let me search FB here, and here I will copy the link again, and I will put that here. So now, as you can see, install button here, and the link is always here. So once somebody click on that particular link, they will easily install the app on their mobile, and then they will do the things whenever the app is installed successfully. And yes, now everything is sorted, everything is done which we need to do to run our app installation campaign in the Reddit ad account. And I think now you are understanding how we can create this and run that kind of campaigns. You just need to click on the review button, and then you just need to click on the publish button. And once you click on the publish button, your campaign is here, and you will able to see all the data in the dashboard. So right now I'm pausing it. So this is how we do it. This is how we create an app install campaign in Reddit. And if you need any kind of more information, you can definitely contact me to the number flashing on the screen. And if you want to hire me for some of your projects, you can directly contact me through the number. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query and concern, please contact me. Thank you so much.